about to put a rocket up the Celeste. Strong pocket cheek today, by the way, Hazza. One of the faves.
So guys, a very important day for the hotel today. We have a press visit. We're going to make sure that we give the best impression ever. So I don't want anyone to stuff it up. Reviews are everything for a hotel. In this day and age, we wouldn't even turn up for my staff.
No description yet of the health of Yulia and Sergei Skripal. Both are heavily sedated, neither can communicate, and it's not known to what extent either will recover.